Okay, I have to make a correction. On page 69, he was not attacked by a pack of sharks. First, he was attacked by a mako shark, then two sharks who were shovel-nosed sharks, and then again on page 69, he is attacked by two gallonose. By gallonose, he means again these are two shovel-nosed sharks. For a second time, he has been attacked by two shovel-nosed sharks, and they came close together and they opened their jaws and they tried to eat the silver side of the fish, and he raised his club high and he one by one he killed those two sharks as well. He started clubbing them. He has lost his harpoon, and he has very got little he has got very little fighting and fishing tools, so he is clubbing them. He clubs them with all his might. He aims for the brain, and finally he can see one of them swimming in circles. He did not see the fin of the other. He was sure that if he had not killed them, but if he was sure that if he had not killed them, he has surely hurt them both badly. Although he's so old, but yet still he has got still resolution and determination and power to do what he wants. He has attacked those two sharks with very little weapon, and he did not want to look at the fish. He knew that half of the fish had been destroyed and the sun had gone down. It was evening now, and soon it will be dark. And then he thinks that he will see the glow of Havana, and he could not talk to the fish anymore because it was ruined so badly. Then a thought came in his hand. इसको वो half fish कह के उससे बात कर रहा है. अब कह रहा है कि half fish that you were once, कि कभी तुम fish थी. It is my fault that I went too far out. I ruined us both. हम दोनों के लिए ही मैंने मुश्किल कर दी. But we have killed many sharks, you and I. And then a thought strikes him कि if I had a knife, I could chop off the bill of this marlin. आगे से जो उसकी नोक होती है, और उसकी नोक ही इतनी sharp होती है marlin की कि that you can say it's spear, उसको ही वो use कर लेता as a tool for fighting. But he has got no knife. He has lost a harpoon. He has lost his knife while fighting with the fish. And then he's saying, what can you do? What if they come again in the night, the sharks? And then he's saying, I'll fight them until I die. So that is his spirit, the spirit of never giving up, never accepting defeat or failure. And then and still it's dark and there is no sign of light or glow of the Havana. He has come too far off, and then he felt that perhaps he is dead. उसको इतना वो थक गया है, इतना एग्जॉस्ट हो गया है कि उसको ऐसे लग रहा है कि वो मर गया. लेकिन the pain he felt, that made him realize कि he is still alive. And the pain in his shoulders, in his hands, in his back, that made him realize that he is alive. And he still remembers he has to say the prayers, and then he rested for some hours. He's laying in the stern and watching the sky. And you violated your luck and you went too far outside. So he blames his pride. He says it was my fault that I went too far out, and it was due to my pride that I failed. And then he's saying कि अगर कहीं से luck मिलती तो I could have bought a broken knife and a bad hands back and lost harpoon. इन सारी चीज़ों को मैं वापस ख़रीद लेता अगर कहीं से luck मिलती. And then he's thinking, stopping himself from thinking about nonsense things. And then he's trying to settle more comfortably and steer, and he's feeling pain. And now उसको थोड़ा बहुत लाइट्स नज़र आना शुरू हो गई हैं. He thinks that it must be 10 o'clock at night. And then just as he has arrived, he has seen the glow, and then he thinks कि they will probably hit me again. उसको idea है कि किस part of the ocean में ज़्यादा होती हैं sharks. He has arrived at a part कि जहाँ पे sharks पाई जाती हैं. And he was stiff and sore now, and he wished कि अब उसको दोबारा fight ना करना पड़े. He is very much exhausted. And then by midnight he had to fight again. and he also knew that the fight is useless. They came in packs, and now it is on page 72 that the sharks have come in packs, means बहुत सारे ग्रुप बना के आई हैं वो, और बहुत सारी हैं, and it is useless to fight with them because he has got no weapon with him. He clubbed with his bare hands, अपने हाथों से heads and heard the jaws chopping, and then he clubbed desperately, or even he clubbed with his bare hands when he had no tool left. एंड देन हर उसने चीज़ यूज़ की है. उसके पास एक टिलर था, उसको हटा के जो जुड़ा हुआ था इसकी बोट से, उसको हटा के उसको भी मारना शुरू किया है फ़िश के ऊपर. एंड ही broke the tiller as well while fighting with the fish, and he has driven and it was sharp, and the shark let go and rolled away. That was the last shark of the pack that came. There was nothing more to them for them to eat. Now they have eaten the whole marlin. अब कुछ भी नहीं बचा है. And the old man can hardly breathe now, and he felt a strange taste in his mouth. उसको इतना exertion हो गई है कि maybe उसको blood, he is vomiting blood, and then he was afraid, लेकिन वो कम ही था उसको. It was not too much, the coppery and sweet taste that was of blood. And he spat it on the ocean and said, eat that galanos and make a dream you have killed a man. So now he knew he was beaten now finally, and without remedy. अब वो कुछ भी नहीं कर रहा. अब वो सेटल बैक हो कर रहा है अपने स्किफ पे, और बस उसको सेल बैक कर रहा है कि अब उसको कुछ भी नहीं सोचना. ही फेल्ट नथिंग, ही थॉट ऑफ नथिंग, एंड ही इज़ नाउ सेलिंग बैक. अब उसके पास सिर्फ एक कारकस बच गया है. कारकस इज़, यू कैन से, सिर्फ ढांचा बचा है फ़िश का, और सारी फ़िश को खा चुकी हैं शार्क्स. और दोबारा नाइट के टाइम पे शार्क्स ने अटैक किया है फ़िश के कारकस को, इसके स्केलेटन को, और इसने इस दफ़ा कोई ध्यान नहीं दिया क्योंकि अब कोई फ़ायदा नहीं लड़ाई का, सिर्फ ढांचा बचा है. शी इज़ गुड, शी इज़ साउंड एंड नॉट हार्म्ड इन एनी वे एक्सेप्ट फॉर द टिलर. सो अपनी स्किफ़ के बारे में बात कर रहा है कि अब स्किफ़ उसको चलाना भी आसान लग रही है, बिल्कुल हल्की होगी. ये पहले वज़न बहुत लेके चल रहा था, ये फ़िश का भी वज़न और स्किफ़ का भी वज़न. एंड देन टिलर इसका बस टूट गया है, जो कि ईज़िली रिप्लेस हो जाता है. सो एंड देन ही फेल्ट दैट ही वाज इनसाइड द करंट, एंड अब वो पास पहुंच गया है. ही इज़ सेइंग द विंड इज़ ऑल्सो आवर फ्रेंड एंड द सी इज़ ऑल्सो आवर फ्रेंड, बट इट कैन ऑल्सो बी cruel at times. And then he's saying that you are beaten because you went, and why was I beaten? Because I went too far out, and that was a result of his pride that he went too far out. And then वो पहुंच गया है हार्बर पे, बड़ी मुश्किल से बोट के अंदर से निकला है, अकेले ही उसको सारा सामान उठाना पड़ा. ही हैज़ गॉट नो हेल्प, और बहुत दफ़ा रास्ते में रुका है और रुक के चल रहा है, फिर दोबारा रुक रहा है, कहीं बैठ रहा है. एंड फाइनली ही हैड टू सिट डाउन 5 times बिफोर ही रीच्ड हिज शैक. उसकी जो खजूर की खाल से बनी हुई, पाम ट्री की खाल से बनी हुई झोंपड़ी सी है, वहाँ तक पहुँचते उसे 5 दफ़ा रास्ते में बैठ के आराम करना पड़ा, बिकॉज he has lost all his strength. So inside the shack he drank some water, and all he wanted was to go to bed. He has now gone to bed, and he has pulled the blanket over his shoulders, and then फेस पे न्यूज़पेपर रखा है उसने, एंड देन ही हैज़ गॉन टू स्लीप. एंड द बॉय सॉ दैट द ओल्ड मैन वाज ब्रीदिंग. द बॉय एवरी मॉर्निंग, हर सुबह आके देखता था बॉय, और इस मॉर्निंग में भी आया है अगली मॉर्निंग पे, और जब उसने आके देखा है उसके हाथ, ओल्ड मैन के हैंड्स, दे आर कट एंड दे आर ब्लीडिंग, दे आर बैडली अफेक्टेड, एंड द बॉय स्टार्टेड क्राइंग.